So the other day I posted this video online and I got a DM of someone asking me how I did the transition, and they wanted to know if I made everything in After Effects or in Premiere Pro.
My grind time looking like your bedtime. Money, money, money's all out here on the streets. And
all the transitions you see in this video were done in Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you how I made this transition using the trackmark key in Adobe Premiere Pro. For this transition effect, I used this black and white paintbrush style video. The first thing I did was drag it into my timeline, and if you need me to send this video to you, don't forget to leave a comment, and I'm also going to leave a link in the description for you to download it and follow along with this tutorial. So I'm going to drag it into my timeline, and I am going to duplicate this video here and bring it forward. The next thing you want to do is to rotate this transition black and white paintbrush video, because we're working on a 9:16 sequence, and I'm going to select the video here and come to the effects control panel, change the rotation to -90, and now we have this. Also, I'm going to hit R on the keyboard and make the video a little bit faster. And if you want to know the keyboard shortcuts that I use, please subscribe to this channel, because I'm also going to be dropping a video on how to edit fast in Premiere Pro. Now this is what we have, and the next thing we're going to do is to, I'm just going to turn off this layer here, is to add a tint effect on our video so we can separate it from the other videos. Search on the effect panel tint, and I'm going to drag it into my video. So now we have a black and white looking video. I'm also going to nest this clip now. Right click, and I'm going to click on nest and click OK. Now the next step is to also search on our effects panel and look for track map. I'm going to drag the track mark key onto our nested clip. In the effects control panel, I'm just going to change the matte layer to layer 3, which is holding our transition video, and also I'm going to change the matte composite to matte luma and click on this reverse, and now you have this. This is how I created the transition, and the transition is very easy. If you want to make more of it, you just duplicate your transition video and also duplicate this video again, move it over to where the transition video starts. You can hit arrow on the keyboard and move the transition video to be the same length as the duplicated video. Add a tint effect to your duplicated video. Nest the duplicated video, right click on the duplicated video and go to nest. Add the track mark key to the duplicated video. Change the matte layer to layer 3. Change the matte composite to luma key and reverse. Now you have this, and this is how you get this simple transition in Premiere Pro. If you want me to make a tutorial of how I added the money behind Killer here, just let me know in the comment, and I'm also going to make that video. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.
I'm just trying to be on time. Anytime I hear a beat, I come up with the perfect rhyme. Yeah, my kind of music engineer, they say it's fine wine. They say time is money, then my roll is on time. Got a room full of clocks, so for sure I'm gonna be fine. I ain't got no money yet, but at least I got time. I'm just grinding all day until it's night time. My grind time looking like your bedtime. Money, money, money's all out here on the streets, and just like what it reach, I'm just trying to feed the streets. When I hear the speeds, I just cripple on the shits lyrically. Up there, your favorites know that I'm a beast. I'm just trying to mind my business, get the money for my fam, save for anything, get the rest to the gun. I fly and never let them feeling like I'm Peter Pan. Since my daddy died, I'm just trying to be the man. Niggas in the streets moving dangerous. All this money shit, it ain't new to us. I've been on the grind trying to stack the guap, stack the